Dip, 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 dip. Sha-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la, party. Sha-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la, party. Sha-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la, party. Sha-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la, party. Dip, 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 bum, 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 get a job. Sha-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la, you make me put it about this time to get me out of my bed and
So I'm here with Todd Rohan at the kids basketball game. We go from one sport to the next sport to the next sport, right?
Yep.
How much money do you spend a month on kids sports?
What is it? I don't want to really know.
You don't even want to know? Are we
I would
talking
say
in 300-400 plus?
400.
Yeah.
Yep. And then me to get into these things, yeah.
Oh yeah, that's another 100,
Yes,
100 bills a month, right?
Yeah.
Tournament fees.
It's a nice work vehicle.
Yeah, it's an extra job, right?
Yeah.
It's an extra
Yeah,
job.
night job.
Yeah, night job.
20 hours-
Ubering. I'm
20 hours a
Ubering
week,
at night.
20 hours a week.
I'm Ubering at night to pay for my kids' sporting.
Let alone college.
Yeah. College. Who needs college anymore? Video blog. How'd you do in the first game?
Crappy.
Crappy?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do different in the next game? You guys
Crappy,
gonna elevate?
crappy. No.
You gonna elevate, Nate? Better? Yeah? Are you not Nate?
I'm Nate.
Who's Nate?
I know.
What?
He's a bee.
He's a what?
He's a bee.
A bee?
Yeah, he's a bee.
Why?
Because he says he's a bee.
Do you play Fortnite, Nate? Yeah. Are you any good?
I'm really good.
Are you really good, Andrew?
Really good.
I've got a solo win. I have a victory royale.
Yeah, that's great, Dad.
What are you saying about my
Nothing.
videos?
I didn't say anything about your videos.
They're only getting 3 views.
Because they are.
I've got 3 likes and 8 views on my last video. Solid. Dude, you gotta watch my YouTube channel, bro. You'll be on it. You'll be on it this week if you watch it.
What is he called?
It's called David Mister's YouTube channel. Just look up Dave Mister's YouTube channel, and I'm there. David, D-A-V-I-D. Just gonna look it up. I'm gonna get another view right now. Right now, I'm getting another view. Uh-oh, we just stole it. Here they are looking up my video. Oh, you're covering it too. I'm blogging, bro. I'm blogging, bro. Bro, I'm blogging. Chill. You can be on the camera, but don't kill the camera.
Okay.
Be with the camera. Be famous. Be a superstar. Be a
You're not
superstar.
famous.
You're a superstar. All right. Here's Connor and Tanner getting ready to play the next game. Hope they can bring it a little bit better than the first game. How do you think they played that first game, Tanner? Cannon. Good? But they lost.
Yeah.
You can't play good if you lose, Cannon. If you lose, you're a loser.
I know.
So how did they play in the first game?
Bad.
Bad. Not good enough. Right, Todd?
Yes.
They need to bring their game up in this next game. It was sad, right?
Sad, very sad. Get aggressive.
Well, we've got this team. We're going to destroy this team. Okay. This kid's 6 foot tall.
Sorry.
Is this really the team we're playing next?
Maybe these kids, yeah, they're not that good.
Blog. You're going to be on my video blog this
Got it.
week. You do know some of these kids are 18 or 19 years old, right?
Yes,
That we're playing against?
Absolutely. I've
Okay.
checked all their IDs and they all are.
What's your
absolutely-
technique for stopping them?
We're gonna foul them.
I'm going to foul them?
We're gonna foul 'em.
Okay. Some of those kids are 20.
Yes, I know.
Good luck.
Have someone drive here.
Can I get an ID check on some of those kids on that team? I'm filming a video blog. I literally think I saw 2 of those kids drive here. I'm just letting you know. So the ref said he's 6'3" and this guy was taller than him. Let's play! Okay, so this is the team we're playing. I'm pretty sure some of these kids are in high school. That was close. That was close. Good try. Look at Connor, number 11, and the other number 11.
Man.
Yeah, there's their number 11. Here's Connor's our number 11. Oops. Not that hard for that kid to do that, is it?
9th grade.
9th grade? You think he's in high school?
For sure.
That's a 5th and 6th grade. Go, fans, get him, Connor, foul him, yeah! Okay. Connor just stopped number 30 from scoring. Nice rebound, Tanner, hit it! Go, Big Z. Foul him!
Good try, Tanner. Good try, Tanner.
Dude, you better make that. Come on, number 11. I'm feeling bad for number 11 now.
Give it to his older brother and let him shoot it. Number 18.
Dude, if I was that tall and I missed 3 layups, my dad would have beaten me.
Oh.
I would have been beaten. Dude, you got him, Connor. Oh, press him! Press him! Now foul him! Foul him! Don't let that kid go to the hole. It's hard to defend 2 6-footers. That's awesome. That is crazy. Connor, I'll give you $20 if you take that guy to the hole.
Good play, Nate.
Good. Nice shooting, Nate. Nice shooting, Nate. That was a good effort. What do you think? They put in good effort there, didn't they, Cannon?
Yeah.
That was good effort this game, right?
Yeah, they did.
Yeah?
Good effort.
Good effort. You guys don't seem very positive. Okay, put great effort. You guys seem like you're bringing them down. I think they put good effort in there.
Very good effort.
Very good effort. How'd you guys feel about that last game? Feel like maybe there was a little bit of a height differential maybe going on there?
Age differential? Maybe.
That one kid was, I heard he was 6'3". It's pretty good, huh? You guys played good. You're defending them.
12 years old. Cannot be 6.
Yeah, they said that he was 12 years old.
Yeah. Well, should have been playing. I bet he was 13.
I bet he was 14.
He drove here.
I thought, yeah, that's what I was just about to say. I thought I saw him driving here.
I'm vlogging, bro. I'm vlogging, bro.
Sha-la-la-la,